Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn life cycle of a frog. Previous videos what we learned, life cycle of a hen, life cycle of a butterfly, life cycle of a cockroach, right? Today we are going to learn other egg laying animals. About other egg laying animals. One of them is frog. Okay, same. How mother hen lay eggs, how female cockroach lay eggs. Here also, mother frog lay eggs. Okay. First, we will read what is there in our reader. Life cycle of a frog. And the life cycle of a frog is very interesting. Let us learn more about it. The mother frog lays hundreds of eggs in water. See, frog is an amphibian, right? Frog lives in land, lives on land as well as in water. Okay, frogs lives in lands as well as lives on land and lives in water. Right. So the frog which lives on land and lives in water both are also frog is called amphibian. Okay. Why we call frog as an amphibian? Because frog live on land as well as in water. Frog land के ऊपर भी रहता है, पानी के अंदर भी रहता है. That's why we'll say frog is an amphibian. So frog, mother frog lay hundreds of eggs in water. Okay. The mother frog lays hundreds of eggs inside water, in water. Okay. Frog is an amphibian. Frog lives on land as well as in water. Mother frog lays hundreds of eggs in water. This is our first step under life cycle of a frog. We will say what is our next step. The egg hatches into a tadpole. We already learned in life cycle of hen, in life cycle of butterfly, in life cycle of cockroach. What we learned in hen, the eggs break and chicks will come out, right? Similarly, that means hatching. Here also, the eggs breaks and tadpoles will come out. That is a baby frog. Okay. The egg hatches into a tadpole. The egg hatch into tadpoles. Okay. From these eggs, small babies of frogs will come out. What do you call that one? Tadpoles. Okay. Underline this one. Important word. Okay. A tadpole is different from adult frog. A tadpole is different from adult frog. We will see in that figure. Okay. A tadpole is different from adult frog. See, here, what do you call this? From eggs hatches into a tadpoles. Okay. After this, what happens? See, tadpole and adult frog both are same. Young frog or adult frog. Adult frog and tadpoles are same? No, it is different. So, tadpole is different from young frog or adult frog, we'll say. It has a tail but no legs. A tadpole breathes through gills. See here. A tadpole is having tails, right? You will be able to see here. This is a tail. Okay. A tadpole is having tails initially but no legs. Afterwards, what happened? Tadpoles, the legs slowly. When the tadpoles are growing, tadpoles is slowly appearing some legs. Okay. It has a tail but no legs. A tadpole has a tail. Initially, you can see here in this figure, tadpole is having a tail but no legs. A tadpole has a tail but no legs. Okay. A tadpole breathes through gills. A tadpole breathe. They will breathe through their gills. Breathe through their gills. Okay. After some days, the tadpole grows its legs. Okay. After some days, what will happen? Tadpole legs grow. Okay. Tadpole legs grow. Then it becomes an adult frog. Next stage becomes a young frog. We'll see in the picture. Okay. The adult frog loses its gills and breathes through their skin. Adult frog loses its tail and gills as well. Its tails, gills, and breathe through skin. Breathe through their lungs. When they are on land, they breathe through their lungs. When they are inside underground, they'll breathe through their moist skin. Okay. Next, we will recall what we learned. First, we will see this life cycle of a frog. See, what is our first step there? The mother frog lay hundreds of eggs in water. This is a mother frog. This is the adult frog. Adult frog lay hundreds of eggs in water. The egg hatch into tadpoles. Eggs hatch into tadpoles. That means from eggs we'll get small tadpoles. Okay. What do you call that baby frog of babies of a frog? Tadpoles. Okay. A tadpole is different from adult. You will see here tadpole is different from adult frog or young frog. It is totally different. It is looking like a fish, right? Next, a tadpole has tails but no legs. Initially, tadpole is having tails. Tadpole develop itself. After a few days, what will happen? Tadpole is having legs. Okay, legs grow. Okay, tail is also there. A tadpole has a tail but no legs. Next, a tadpole breathe through their gills. How tadpoles will breathe? Through their gills. After some days, tadpole legs grow. What will happen? After a few days, what will happen? Tadpole legs start growing. Tadpole के legs आना शुरू हो जाते. These are the legs of a tadpoles. Next one. Then it becomes a young frog. What will happen? After a few days, what will happen? The tadpole's legs will come. After a few days, the tadpole will grow into a young frog. Okay. Then it becomes a young frog. Afterwards, the adult frog loses its tail. What will happen when this young frog start growing into an adult frog? This tail here you will be able to see here. This is a tail of a frog, right? So this tails disappear here. Here you will not able to see tail, right? Why? Because when young frog grows into an adult frog, this tail will disappear, as well as this tadpole. I said you tadpoles breathe through their gills. Right? So what will happen when this tail disappear? Young frog grow into an adult frog, and the adult frog breathe through their lungs. कैसा breathe करेंगे adult frog? Lungs. Tadpoles कैसा breathe करेंगे? Through their gills. Okay, the adult frog loses its gills and gills both, and breathe through their lungs. The adult frog loses its tail, gills and breathe through their lungs. Adult frog क्या करता है? Tail भी चले जाएंगे, gill भी चले जाएंगे, gills भी, and they will breathe through their lungs. Okay, and breathe through their lungs. Hope you all understood. First one, what is our first step? Adult frog lay eggs. From this frog, eggs hatches into tadpoles. Tadpole is having tail. After a few days, legs will also grow. Okay, tadpoles grow its legs. After a few days, what will happen? Tadpoles develop into a young frog. Here we are having tail, and both the tadpoles breathe through their gills. After a few days, what will happen? Young frog will develop. After a few days, again, young frog develop itself to adult frog. This tail disappear, and adult frog breathe through their lungs. These are the important points. Remember this. Hope you all understood. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz. Stop.